Secret Santa.
Secret Santa.
But
since it was Christmas time and all.
We call it Pixie. Yeah.
Here we call it Pixie. But it's basically Secret Santa. And yes, we're going to be doing our gift openings today. The other persons in the YouTube group are Izzy, Deja, XO, Justine from Just Beauty, and Princess Francine, and
So on the sea. Somebody have a name? I didn't want to say because she thinks that usually it's the let us just leave it. But then when we see this one this one and that's the way I must fear when we tell myself I must miss out. My Secret Santa was Princess Fran. And yours was?
Oh, yes, I'm used to say it. And mine was Deja from Lizzie and Deja XO.
Lizzie, Deja, XO.
Yes, my bad.
So we're going to open our gifts to see what we got. This is the packaging.
This is mine. And the gift inside are wrapped.
So, thank you, Princess Fran.
Yeah, thank you, Deja.
Alright, so let's get
so Ashley can go first and then
I'll just like a tear of the wrapping paper because I can't save this. Jesus. Guys. Oh, it wrapped so perfect and then it kind of smells nice. I've never asked for no fragrance. I probably on the old smell nice. I don't know. Oh, this one for sure. No, okay. Got it. Alright guys, so I got what I asked for, which is Cream of Nature Pudding Perfection and 2 LA Girl lippies, one in Black Currant and one in Backstage, and raw shea butter from, I don't know.
Okay, my turn. Sorry, I don't like tearing flavor. So I got this lemon brush. Exciting. And this heavy badges.
The girl activated the machine.
Girl, give me a chance.
You have to shake it and smell it. Is that
I
hair
don't
product?
like hair things. Good side.
Yes.
What is this? This is a curl activator by Concealer.
I'm gonna try it. You have to smell it. Yeah, it smells like coconut.
Shadows.
No sulfate.
Yes.
Where is it? No sulfate, no paraben, no mineral oil.
Okay, this next item.
Is that a thing?
So excited. I've wanted this for like so long. Hair tearing packages like this. Oh, and it's in purple. My favorite color. For real, I think of green. Should I take it out? My sunbonnet.
Jesus, extra. It's so extra. I really of the video.
I think I will for the rest of it. I think I will. Then my last two items. So
Got the
yes,
same
we
color,
got the same
guys.
color. Black crayons.
Married tonight.
I'm like so happy. You wouldn't believe. I wonder if it's the same color again. It is. And this is backstage.
Thank you, Princess Fran and
Deja, thank you.
are the same color?
Yes, it is. Both of them.
Oh, so we got the same color. So we can buy fair one and she can wear my one. Well, but anyway.
Yes, I'm happy with the stuff I got. Literally, basically most of the things that I asked for. So yes, guys, you should go on and check out.
To leave the links of their
Yes.
channel below. So
Thank you guys
yeah.
so much for watching.
Bye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy holidays.